Hello everyone. Start from the today class. We will continue till what we have done. We will done till alphabet A. Okay. So from B now we will start. So here double B. Okay. So for double B, we will done 2 3 dot. Okay. So in every dot we have read six point like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what happened? How to write? You have to start from the 1 2 3 4 5. But if you show double B, so what you do? You have to do 2 3. Okay. Now next come to the BE. So if you write BE, so the same dot you have to done what you done till in your top like 2 3. Okay. Now in third para that there is a because. So if you write because in braille, so what happened? You have to write till BE. Okay. So BE and then C. So what is the dot for the B? So 2 3, and for the C 1 and 4. Okay. After that, before what you do, you have to do 2 3 and for F dot. Okay. Now behind what you do, you have to do BE and for H. You read. Okay, for the H and for the F and for the I. Okay. Now next come to the below. For the below you have to do BE and L. Okay. Now next come to the beneath. For the beneath what you have to do, you have to do BE and for N. You know what is the dot for the N? Now next come to the beside. So for the beside you have to do BE, and what is the dot for the BE? 2 3 and for S. Okay. Now between, so for the between you have to write BE and the T. After that beyond. So the for the beyond what you do, you have to write BE and for the white dot. Okay. Thank you everyone, and just read out. Okay.